2005 Chevy Cavalier, and only the driver windshield wiper works. The passenger side does not. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what to do. So first we want to check to see if it's the splines of the wiper arm. So first step will be removing this cap and then taking off the nut below that. So I took the cap off with the flathead screwdriver. Now I have a 13mm bolt to take off, and once that nut's off I can take the arm off. So I took a look at the spline and it looks fine. So I turned the windshield wipers on. This wiper moved. This here that the arm attaches to did not move, and I can freely move it, which you're not supposed to. Can't move this wiper, but I can move this one. So that tells me that the linkage is broke, so now I'll go ahead and replace that. Go ahead and take off this cap and bolt and take off this wiper arm, similar to the other one. Forgot to mention, if your splines are okay and your wipers both move, or if this part here moves, sometimes if you tighten down the nut, that'll fix the issue. If this turns and the spline is not good, then you need a new wiper arm. Once you get the second wiper arm off, the next is to remove these clips. So there's various clips throughout here. There's one in the middle and there's two on the other side. So to get these clips out, first you pop this head up, and then under this washer here you can pull up and the clip comes right out. So after I remove those clips, this panel here just pops right off. So here is your wiper motor and your wiper linkage. So here, this arm is all good. And this arm here, it broke off. So that's why the wiper stopped working. So I'm going to try and see if I can reconnect it. If I can't, then I'll have to replace this whole linkage. Was not able to get it back on, so I'm going to try and take it out, see if I can get it. If not, I'll replace it. Take it out, 3 bolts here, here, and there. Plugged the wiring harness, took the assembly out, and I got to take off 2 Torx bolts here and here, and take the bolt off the motor here. Once I get the motor off, I'll replug it back into the harness, turn on the car, reset the wiper or the motor by turning on the wiper blades. The motor will reset itself, and then I'll go ahead and put on the new linkage. New linkage on. These were T30 Torx screws, and I left this piece here on. The new linkage didn't come with that, so I just pried these off of the old ones and popped these new ones back on to there. Reason why the other one broke is the bushing broke, so that's why I couldn't fix it. So I'm gonna put this back in, plug it into the wiring harness, turn the car on to reset the motor, and then bolt it in place and put the cap or the grill back on and the wipers, and that's all you gotta do. When I was putting this back on, make sure that you get this flap over top of the grill. Use a flathead screwdriver, go through and make sure it's all the way along, and then also use some Loctite blue removable thread locker on these nuts.